Hi, I'm Elliot Barnes. I'm an interior designer in Paris. Welcome to one of my latest creations, La Campagne à Paris, here in the 16th arrondissement. So this was a full gut renovation of an existing 19th century Parisian townhouse for a family of 6. It also involved the extension of the main living room onto the back of the garden, which we will see shortly. And I'm really excited to show you, so let's get started. What's really unique about this area is that we arrive at the house through a private square with a very charming lamppost in the center. We designed this front area to really make it feel like you're no longer in Paris. The existing trees, the other plants that were added really takes you on a trip far outside of the city, even though we're just 5 minutes from the Eiffel Tower. And if you listen quietly, you can even hear the birds. What are you waiting for? Come on. As you step into the main entry hall, you can immediately see one of the main ideas for the entire project, which was to conserve where we could some of the amazing original details, like the doors, the floors, the radiators, and of course this amazing handrail and this beautiful staircase. It provides an old world introduction to a very contemporary renovation. Here we are in the main entertainment space, which consists of the living area, the dining area, and the kitchen. Typically, homes from this era had walls dividing each space. But what we wanted to do was to open everything up so that the front garden connects to the back garden. In the living room, or what we call in France, le salon, we really mixed modern details such as this very thin base with more traditional details such as the existing fireplace. We redid the oak floors in a herringbone or point d'Hongrie pattern, which is another nod to the traditional qualities of the house. I am by no means a maximalist, so my take on furnishing a room is to do as little as possible, to give each piece we do choose as much room as possible to breathe. I'm often reminded of this quote by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry, where he says, "A designer achieves perfection not when there's nothing left to add, but when there's nothing left to take away." As we transition from the living room to the dining area, I designed these custom cabinets and the credenza in stained ash. I also designed this oval dining table, which features an airplane winged edge. This reduces the thickness of the tabletop and makes it feel much lighter. Above the table, we hung this Italian bubble-shaped chandelier, which reminds me of champagne. And for a bit of drama, we brought in these alabaster wall sconces. This kitchen was entirely bespoke. We continued the cabinets in stained ash, and the counters are in Calicata d'Oro marble. The key here was to achieve a casual elegance, a place to prepare the finest meals or have a relaxed coffee in the morning. And right here at this column is where the extension of the house begins. Not only does this obviously make the house bigger, but it also projects the living spaces into the garden through the custom designed atelier-style windows. Now, isn't this paradise in the middle of Paris? Actually, we designed the entire home so that all of the bedrooms would have a view on this tranquil garden. Up here, we have this relaxed family room featuring this very comfortable sofa. It's centered in the room, surrounded by custom bookshelves, making it feel warm and welcoming. There are also 2 other bedrooms on this floor and this petite music room. This is the kind of room that makes me wish I did not stop taking piano lessons. And from up here, you really get a sense of the grandeur of the staircase. We designed this principal bedroom as a penthouse suite, which occupies the entire 4th floor. And the design drama begins as soon as you walk through the original double doors featuring Gio-Ponte door handles, which we sourced in Milan. I also love the cinematic views of the square and the distinct Parisian rooftops beyond. Not a bad view, right? The suite also has an office with its own private terrace and a dressing room that leads to a dreamy skylit bathroom. Thank you for coming on this tour, where the traditional meets the contemporary and interior design is treated as it should, like haute couture.
If you thought this place was impressive, just wait. We've got so much more to show you. Like and subscribe and you'll see more gorgeous places almost every day.